There from Bug Eye Guy. This is Wayne. This is a very cool red on red car. I happen to love this color combination because nobody does this anymore, where you almost have clashing reds, all these different tone values, and it's not really a contemporary way to build a car anymore. But back in 1960, when this car was built, this was what they called cherry red. And in fact, cherry red in our minds, most people's minds, is more of a classic red like you see on Tucker's truck. But here you have this kind of wine burgundy color, and that is the original Bug Eye cherry red. Very popular color for Bug Eyes. And then also it came with a red interior with white piping, just like this, and red Hardura mat and rubber ribbed mat in the front. Of course, carpet has become the de facto standard. This is our red carpet kit. It has new carpet, but this would be exactly the color combination of a brand new cherry red Bug Eye with this red dash bar, a red dashboard covering, red carpet, red shift tower. It would have also red door panels, which here we have vinyl. They would have been red rubber, and red door pockets, the lower ones. The red panel kit, red door gasketing, you can see. So all of these reds kind of came together for a red explosion, if you will, something you just don't see on modern cars anymore. And that's one reason why this is one of my favorites. I'm not a red car person, but this configuration of red to me is so unique and so special. I happen to love this version. This particular car is an excellent car. It was a really nice restoration. Doesn't have many miles on the restoration. It's a 948 drum brake car with a 4-speed and new chrome grille and a lot of nice detail. It's just an excellent restoration. The beading strips are in nice shape, and we do have a cracked windshield gasket here, which is something we could change if it bothers you. The glass, I think, is fine, so you probably could just take this out and replace the rubber or leave it be. Many of these are cracked. It's a chronic problem, partly because these are such difficult windshields to get in and out. Nobody wants to just take care of it because it's so easy to break the glass when you do that. We have the top bow present and new carpet in the trunk as well, so that's in nice shape, and the correct long tonneau and fittings for the top. And I believe there's a new gas tank and the right license plate light support, new bumpers and good rubber here. Really a nice restoration. The panel gap is good. Remember, on an $1,800 Bug Eye, it was pretty common to have, the panel gap wasn't really something they obsessed about like they would on a 911. But you see this one fits nicely. The nose gap is good and the nose height is good. So on a lot of levels, this is just a very nicely prepared, stock looking Bug Eye with the original steel wheels and hubcaps. So let's go for a drive in, Wayne, and see how it does. This is again a 948 stock configuration with a smooth case transmission and also drum brakes all around. That's a non-sway bar car right there. The front sway bar makes a big difference